capable of conducting air-to-air and air-to-ground operations with just a flick of a switch. It is one of the best all-round fighter aircraft in the world. The F-16 from 143 Squadron and named after the mythical bird, the Phoenix. Its motto, "We Dare," is deemed to be most appropriate as it identifies the personnel of the squadron with daring courage and resilience of the Phoenix.
You don't see Colin's formation? Then after that,
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to welcome the mighty C-130 Hercules coming back from its airdrop mission. The C-130 Hercules transport aircraft is operated by 122 Squadron. The C-130 is still widely used by many military and civilian organizations worldwide. Sturdy platform that is both reliable and dependable. It is maritime, truth-lived.
Yeah, you can see my formation or not? I said I can see it. Charlie 130 will land first.
How many are
4. Then the Charlie 130 land there, my formation.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, presenting the mighty C-130 Hercules. Ladies and gentlemen, you have just witnessed our Air Force defending our skies and the full spectrum of RSAF operations. The RSAF has come a long way in its short history to become a force like no other. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have one more flypast remaining. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, from your right, in a diamond formation, presenting the Diamond Star PA-40 new generation trainer aircraft from the Singapore Youth Flying Club.
I will be the last one.
This year, Singapore Youth Flying Club is celebrating its 40th anniversary of promoting aviation and inculcating strong passion in flying amongst young Singaporeans. As the premier flying aviation training center in Singapore, they have introduced and provided flying experience to more than 5,000 young Singaporeans. And this was achieved with an excellent safety record, staying accident-free in all 40 years of flying training.